Tracking affiliate sales on webinars and events doesn't have to be complicated, but it's crucial if you want to know what's working and optimize your strategy. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to track affiliate sales on webinars and events step by step so you can get the most out of your efforts. Stick around till the end because I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, just for viewers of this channel. First off, tracking affiliate sales starts with the right tools. You'll want to use software that can integrate easily with your webinar platform and provide real-time analytics. This software will allow you to track every click, every lead, and every sale made directly from your webinar or event. The next step is setting up your affiliate links. Make sure each affiliate link is properly tagged for tracking. Whether you're using UTM parameters or other tracking tags, you need to ensure these links are linked directly to the specific webinar or event you're hosting. That way, when someone clicks through your affiliate link during the event, you can see exactly which sales came from that specific promotion. Now let's talk about tracking conversion. This is key. Make sure the software you're using tracks when an attendee actually converts after clicking through your affiliate link. For webinars, this could be within a set time frame, like 24 hours after the event ends. Some affiliate programs provide this automatically, but if not, your software can track this for you, giving you an exact picture of your ROI. Another key point is tracking the sales per affiliate partner. If you're running multiple affiliates or have multiple sales reps, you need to keep track of which partner is driving the most conversions. Most platforms will provide detailed reports showing which affiliate links are performing the best. You'll want to use these insights to reward your top performers and optimize your affiliate strategy. Real-time updates are another game changer. During the event, having live data on how many clicks and conversions are happening is incredibly helpful. This allows you to adjust your strategy on the fly, whether it's changing the offers, tweaking the call to action, or just seeing what's resonating with your audience in real time. Lastly, automation can save you tons of time. Set up automatic emails and reports to be generated after the event so you don't have to manually pull data. The software we'll be using lets you set up these reports easily and even allows you to automate follow-up emails with your affiliates after the event. Key takeaway: tracking affiliate sales on webinars and events comes down to using the right software to track clicks, conversions, and sales in real time. Proper tagging of your affiliate links and setting up conversion tracking is essential to knowing where your revenue is coming from. The software makes it easier to track these metrics and automate the process. To wrap things up, we've covered selecting the right software, setting up affiliate links, tracking conversions, monitoring affiliate performance, and utilizing real-time data and automation. Don't forget, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can start tracking your affiliate sales on webinars and events like a pro. It's available only to viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.